for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-350 XLT in Oxford White. It has grey cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. It's a 6.7-liter Power Stroke turbo diesel engine. It's a V8, and it's also a 4x4. It has a camper package and a fifth wheel prep tow package, which has the cutouts in the bed, and you also have a trailer hitch with a 4 and 7 pin connector and a reverse system. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here, and there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer readings there, and you have a menu that you can toggle through. So we'll just get in there. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter has tow haul. When you press this, you'll see it appear on the the right of the odometer reading, and then it goes out again. I'll just press that. There you go. In the center, there's a little bit of a cubby as well. You have your exhaust brake, traction control, and hazard lights. On your display screen, you're seeing the time and date. This is also where your backup camera view will display when you're in reverse, and your media choices are AM, FM, satellite radio, as well as CD. Below that, you have your volume and tuner, and you can toggle through for different options. There's your CD player. You have your climate control. You have heated mirrors, front defrost, AC, and max AC. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential and integrated trailer brake controller. Down below, USB and 12 volt, and there's a little bin that you can open up and put items in. In the center, your armrest has a couple of cup holders. It opens up for more storage, and then you can flip this seat right up. There's another seat belt, so you have another person that can sit there. Unclip it. Underneath, you've got more storage and a couple of cup holders you can just flip right out. Off to the side, there's a couple of 12-volt outlets located there, and there's 2 glove compartments. The lower one is locking. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, and you also have a sunglass holder. Off to the side, on the passenger side, you have grab handles to make it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just above that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7 pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When we open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside it's nice and roomy in there. There's box link as well as tie downs in all 4 corners, and those black circles you're seeing is your fifth wheel prep package. And you also have a tailgate step, which I forgot to open up for you here. Take a look. This makes it easier to get in the back. And then when you're done, you can just close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And down below, you have a lockable, foldable storage bin. And when you're ready to bring the seat down, simply pull the clip and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's an all-weather mat on the floor that goes from one end to the other, and you're seeing extra carpeted mats as well. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders, as well as a 12-volt. In the body, there's a grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, a big window. Bumper, dual exhaust, mud flap, 6.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.